Hey traders, it's me, Vicky of all trades, and here we are again with this doggone washing machine. It's a Frigidaire washer, and it's also have a Frigidaire dryer. And I noticed that some of the lights are not coming on, so I'm going to show you how to get the light to come back on the Frigidaire. And I've had this washer and dryer for at least 10 years. So some of the issues have been with the auto temperature and even the speed in the past. I reset it once before, but as I spin this dial, let's look and see what temperatures and speeds I can or cannot change. Let's go to delicates. I can change the temperature here. I can change the speed here. I can, still work all of these buttons. They're still showing. Let's go to casual, the temperature. I can change the temperature here. Now, looky here, we're on normal, right? What's missing? The temperature. No lights for the temperature on normal, but I can change the speed. On bulk, I can change the temperature. It's on bulk now, bulky load. I can change the speed. And we're on heavy now. And I can change the temperature, and I can change the speed. And these other options here, chime and all of those work. So the only one that's not working now is normal. Normal is the only wash load that's not working, and that's the one I use the most. Now I'm gonna go to my normal load where I cannot change my temperature. I press the select and the start button. It's not doing anything. The lights came on. Oh, there we go. The light came back on, and it's on normal. So that's how you do it. And there you have it. To reset the lights on the Frigidaire, you must press the select button and the start button at the same time. And now I have function in my temperatures, and everything else should have reset as well. But you have to make sure you turn your dial to the setting that you need the adjustments for the lighting to work. See you later, traders. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring. Peace.